Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about module creation in Magento 2. Module is a structural element of Magento and the whole system is built upon various modules. Typically, the first step in creating a customization in Magento is to build a module. Now to create a module, we will be following certain steps. First of all, we will create a module folder. After that, we will create a module.xml file that will hold key information for our module. Then we will create registration.php file that will register our module in Magento. Then we will install our module using setup upgrade command, and then we will check if our module is perfectly installed or not. Now I'll go to my terminal and on my Magento root. Here I will create a folder named as Litove, which will be my vendor folder. I'll perform mkdir on app code folder, and I'll also create a directory named as learning for my module. Now if I go to app code folder, Litove stands for my vendor name, and in Magento a vendor can have multiple modules. Now my module name will be learning, and here I can create various folders, and all those folders will come under the same namespace of my vendor. Now as we have created our module folder, we will go to the next step and we'll create a module.xml file. Module.xml file resides into etc folder that stands for etc. Now here I will create a module.xml file. Module.xml file holds key information about our module, and the three key information are module name, module setup version, and dependencies. As we have created our folder as Litove and learning, so our module name will be Litove_learning. Our setup version is our module version. This is our first Magento module, so we'll name version as 0.0.1. A module can depend on various other modules, so you can add as many sequence nodes as you need. But in our case, our module will depend on Magento catalog, which is Magento's core module. Now we have created our module.xml file. We'll create one more file named as registration.php. Registration.php file is responsible for registering our module in Magento. This file actually creates an instance of Magento framework component registrar, I think, component registrar functions interface, component registrar functions implementation, and we'll call register function of this class. This function accepts three parameters. First is component type. In Magento there are three types of component. First is theme, second is module, and third one is language package. So in our case, our component type will be module. The second parameter is for module's name. In our case, it will be Litove_learning as per our folder structure. The third parameter is for module's path, which will be __dir. And that's all. We have created two files for our module, and our module should be good to go to be installed. I'll go to my command line and will perform setup upgrade command. This command will show various lines of output, but we are only concerned about one line, that is for our module's name. And here we have completed this line, and you can see that Litove_learning is showing here. This means our module has been installed successfully. To check this, we can also perform one more command, which is cat app etc config.php pipe grep and our module's name, which is Litove_learning. You can see that we have a flag set as 1, which means our module is installed and is working. So to create a Magento module, we'll have to follow 5 steps, and by this your module will be created. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.